Hey y'all, this is Aaron Beverly coming at you with another sneak peek, and tonight we're going to be doing some Muscovy duck breasts. I bagged me two this evening, just on accident. But I got me a drake and a hen, and I'm going to fry one of the breasts of each one, and then I'm going to brine the other breasts of each one, and I'm going to compare the two here in about 4 days. We'll cook them the same way. And I'm not really going to go a whole lot out. I'm just going to use some sea salt, salt them up, fry them up, and then I've got some what I just do with it? Yeah, my wife's got some garlic parmesan Weber's. I don't know how you can go wrong with that. Put some of that on it and fry them up. I got them started here. I put also shake the little cayenne peppers on that. So I like to spice it a little bit. I'll give you a little peek what that's looking like. Now I'm frying these in straight up butter. So and hopefully that'll be good. I feel like there will be. I'm going to fry them up, see how they do. So we'll eat here in just a few minutes. But buddy, I don't get any fresher than this. I halfway expect them to be a little bit tough because I didn't let them rest or brine. But I'm doing that intentionally to see if it really helps. So anyways, we're going to eat here in a few. I'm just going to pause this and then we'll get back to you at the table. Alright y'all, so I'm back with part 2 of this video here, and if you've been watching today, you know I got me a couple of Muscovy ducks. Real excited about that. So this is definitely a bachelor meal here. I got me some old white kidneys, sliced cheese melted up. I put about 6 slices of cheese with 1 can of kidney beans, and boy, that's good. Now I'm halfway, like I said, expecting this duck to be tough because it hadn't been brined or anything. This bird was flying around a couple hours ago, so hopefully it'll be all right. We'll see. As you can see, I cook it rare. It's like a steak. Oh yeah, that's good. I don't know if I would do this seasoning again. Man, that's pretty right there, y'all. That's pretty. Ooh. Ooh. Very rich. Very lean. I put too much cayenne. Woo. That's good eating, y'all. I don't care what nobody says. Uh-oh. Muscovy duck is worth that. If you never had it, you need to try it. Real good. Now my wife, she used to make an orange marmalade. Boy, that was good stuff. I don't know if that skin, I think that skin crisped up like I wanted it to. And that's alright, I ain't got to eat the skin. I'm just going to see if I can slice off a piece and taste it. For some reason, I don't think it's going to be any good. Sometimes your gut just knows. Yeah. The flavor ain't bad, but it's only chewing rubber band. That's going to take a hard pass on that. But down the hatch it goes. Yeah. Not crazy about the skin. Now that's on the Drake breast. Let me, well, I gotta have one more bite. Good. Let me try the hen. Ooh, well, I put a lot of cayenne on it. Did I tell you? I said that already. Ooh. Man, that's tasty, y'all. It's real tasty. Anyways, man, you eat that just like any other steak there. Put you some A1 on it, whatever. It'd be outstanding. So, anyways, that's Muscovy duck. I hope y'all like that. We'll see you on the flip.